everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your status on Slack. This is useful if you want to let your team know whether you're busy, away, or available. So, step 1, open Slack. Now, once you're inside your workspace, look for your profile icon at the bottom left corner. So, click on your profile icon. Now, from the menu, select Update Your Status just below your name. And in here, choose or customize status. So you'll see a few preset options like in a meeting, commuting, out sick, vacationing, or working remotely. So you can select one of these or create your own custom status. So to create a custom one, tap on Edit Suggestions for your name. And now in here, this is where I can customize your status. So edit the status, you can put in like busy or back in 1 hour, something like that. So once you've edited this, tap on save. Now that helps others quickly understand your status. Now next, once you chose the status, in here you can remove the status after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, or you can choose date and time. And also down here, you can choose to pause notifications for everyone, pause notifications for everyone except VIPs, or do not pause. So once done, click on save. And that's basically it. That's how you can update your status on Slack. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.